Well, here's the garden behind me. Let's go have a look. It's time to harvest some peppers. Ah, boo! Couple of peppers with some color down in there. Well, here's a nice little haul of peppers. Not bad. You got some Jimmy Nardello, some Bell, Cayenne chili, Jalapeno, and we even found a sugar baby watermelon. Look at that. Nice. Well, here's a couple strands of cayenne chili peppers that I've strung up. Probably can't see that very well. Over here, there we go. The one on the right, I put that together, I don't know, about a month ago. You can see how that's drying up quite nicely. And this other one is fresh, just from the other day. I'm gonna give that to my mother-in-law. She really wants one. And the two state fair winners that I planted this year. Look at those giants. Not so giant, but you know, it was fun. I wonder what you do with these. Make pies out of them? I have no idea. More YouTube research I guess I'll be doing. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.